Bonjour et bienvenue French with Sumrit. My name is Sumrit Khurana and I am trying to teach you guys French verbs, the 4 most important French verbs today. And if you like my efforts, make sure to give me a like and subscribe my channel. And I'm just a learner like you, but I make sure that I learn 100% and teach and share my knowledge with you for absolutely free. And in the description you can find free French verb notes which I use. It has 100 French verbs and you can save that as a PDF and learn every day. So without wasting your time, let's jump into the most important 4 French verbs and let's get started with the very first verb, êTRE. êTRE means to be. So in Hindi we say मैं हूँ, like I am, to be. So let's start with je. So je, which is I, will be je suis, which is I am, je suis. And then let's talk about you. So tu is you, so tu es, which means you are, tu es. And then let's jump on to he, she. So il, elle, est. It's not the same spelling, the spelling is different. Il, elle, est. And now let's move on to us, like all of us. So all of us, we are, is called nous in French. So nous sommes, we are. And let's talk about you again. So vous êtes, vous, you in a formal way. Let's say you're my boss. So vous êtes, you are. And now let's talk about they, a group of people. So they in masculine will be ils, il. You'll say it as il, but it's written as ils. So ils sont, elles sont, if it's a bunch of women. So they are, they are. And now we'll move on to the next verb, which is, let's talk about avoir first. Avoir, which means I have. Avoir, which means to have. So let's talk about me again. I have, which will be j'ai. J'ai means I have. Let's talk about you again. Tu as, you have. Tu as. Il, elle a, he, she has. And then let's talk about us. Nous avons, nous avons. And let's talk about you again. Vous avez, vous avez. And let's talk about a group of people. So let's say they're a group of guys and they have something. So ils ont, and a group of women, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. If you notice, there was a lot of similarity between êTRE and avoir, and you can see it right here. So there's a lot of similarity. If you even notice, a group of people is called sont in êTRE, and in avoir it's called ont. And the next verb we are going to do is ALLER and FAIRE, and there's a lot of similarities. And in the end, I'll explain you how you can learn all 4 of them very easily through my table. And again, it's available in the description link. And make sure you like this video if you're enjoying this time and you're even getting 1% of it. Make sure you subscribe because I will be uploading French verbs in the coming weeks. So now, without wasting time, let's go to aller. Aller means to go. Aller. So I go, which is je vais, je vais. You go, tu vas. He and she goes, il va, elle va. I know the spelling is different, but it's pronounced the same. So je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Now let's talk about us. Nous avons, nous allons. So just like avoir, which is why I mixed up, avoir means to have. It's avons in aller, it's allons. Nous allons. And let's talk about you again in a formal way. Vous allez. In avoir it was vous avez. In this is vous allez. So much similarity. So nous allons, vous allez, and last but not the least, ils, elles vont. So in AVOIR it was il el on, in êTRE it was il el sont, in this it is il el vont. And now let's move on to the last but not the least, FAIRE. FAIRE, which means to do or to make. It is a very common verb, it is used in everything. So je fais. Je fais means I do what I make. Je fais. Tu fais. You make or you do something. Elle fait. F-A-I-T. Elle fait. He or she makes. And then we make or we do. Nous faisons. Nous faisons. Vous faites. F-A-I-T-E-S, but it's called faites because you, in a formal way, make or do something. Vous faites. And then a group of people. Il, elle. I'll let you guess this one. So in êTRE it was il, elle, sont. In AVOIR it was il, elle, ont. In ALLER it was il, elle, vont. And in FAIRE it is il, elle, font. So if you watch this video over and over again, and now I'm going to show you a table. So if you can see this table, it has all 4 verbs. So let's talk about the very first one. Let's talk about comparison of êTRE, AVOIR, ALLER and FAIRE. So every single thing is, especially for ALLER, FAIRE and êTRE, ends with IS. So je suis, je vais and je fais all ends with IS. So that's another thing you can remember to learn it easily. And the next one also ends with S. So tu es, tu as, tu vas, tu fais. So and il, elle is different, so you can have to remember that. And then if you talk about us, nous is always nous sommes, nous avons, allons, faisons. So ONS is coming common. That's another tip to remember. And now let's talk about vous, which is you in a formal way. So for êTRE and FAIRE, it ends with ES. So vous êtes and vous faites. So vous êtes and vous faites. And for ALLER and AVOIR, it ends with EZ. So vous avez and vous allez. And the last one, il, elle, is super simple. Last one is super simple for every single verb because it all ends with ONT. So il, elle, ont, il, elles sont, il, elles font, il, elles vont. Super simple. Il, elles sont, ont, vont and font. So if you like this super simple, super easy and interactive video, make sure to subscribe me and support me, and I'll keep bringing new verbs every day and more French videos. Make sure you share this video with your enemies, friends and everyone, and let's get to at least 100 subscribers. I think I deserve it. And also you can buy my French book for just $10. I'll send you a PDF copy of my French book where you can find all these things plus worksheets as well, so you can practice it on your own at home. It's just $10. Just PayPal me a $10 thing and just send a screenshot on the email in my description, and I will personally send you my link for my book and the worksheets which you can practice every day and improve your French skills. Alright guys, see you in the next video.